Hi, this is for Forrest, and I'm going to sell the Harry Potter train, and it did not go very good on tracks, especially on these turn things. Okay, so sorry. Going under the table. Oh, what? Ah! I picked this off the track.
Yeah, this was not made for a track. We modified it and added an engine in the back of it.
Yeah.
So you can see it's less than perfect.
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Ah. Well, this train's not really meant for turns, so this is the pointer. If you ever buy this thing, don't use it on track. Don't use it on turns that much.
All right, there we go. 9 3/4.